Prahlad Joshi, Union Minister, joining us on the phone line. Prahlad Joshi, please give us your take on Karnataka Minister. Your state, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, now faces setback with the Karnataka High Court deciding Governor has the jurisdiction to issue a grant to prosecute Siddaramaiah if he's considered an accused or guilty in the MUDA scam.
See, there is one legacy in the Karnataka that even Sri Ramakrishna Hegde, Sri Yediyurappa, whenever there was an allegation on them, they resigned immediately, henceforth. But as far as Siddaramaiah is concerned, now on the prima facie, it is a proven fact. Prima facie, it is a very, very important thing to understand is that it is not only that 14 sides to Mr. Siddaramaiah, there is a huge scam in MUDA, where from Mr. Siddaramaiah is MLA also, and his MLC son is also participating regularly in the MUDA meeting. And after having so much of connectivity and so much of stake in the MUDA, 14 sites have been given to him, and many other sites, maybe around 1,500, this is being speculated, have been given to the various other Congress people. So these are the things, very serious allegation. And not only that, in Valmiki scam also, he is facing a very serious problems. In rural development and Panchayat Raj Department's fund, there is a scam. All these scams, Siddaramaiah should understand, it has happened during his ministry, his term. Now, he should have actually resigned before going to the court itself. Then if court, there is a very, competent judiciary in the country. If they held that he has not done nothing wrong, he can come back. But challenging it and trying to attack governor, and governor he has given the permission he has given the sanction to prosecute him. Investigate it, not even also prosecute, investigate. Why is so much afraid of investigation? That means he has done wrong, he has committed a wrong, that's why he is doing it. Henceforth, immediately, without unnecessarily delaying or commenting, he should resign, and that will at least जो कुछ भी बचे हुए थोड़ा कुछ मर्यादा आबरू जो होता है वो बच जाता है.
You know, I had a lengthy conversation right now with Karnataka's Labour Minister Santosh Lad, who says that this is the handiwork of Prime Minister Modi, of the BJP, that you all believe in Hitler's ideology and want to suppress any kind of opposition voice. And this is a deliberate attempt to use the governor to implicate the Chief Minister falsely. How would you react to that?
See, basically, I don't want to react for the childish comments. I can only say on this, because the court, see, when governor gave the sanction, then it was said that governor gave the sanction, it was said that it is a politically motivated. Now, court has upheld it. And is he talking against the court? You should have asked him. The court has upheld it. Court has said the sanction is right. Then also, if they start talking like this, childish things like this, then what reaction can be given on that?
Right. So, you know, the MUDA properties were granted to Siddaramaiah's wife during the BJP regime. Any word on that? Considering the BJP was in power, according to the Minister Santosh Lad, he said the man who was governing the MUDA body, the Mysuru Urban Development Authority, was also a man appointed by the BJP. Is there any investigation that you're going to do on your end to see what happened there?
It was not, allocation was done during the Siddaramaiah's government, and some resolution was passed at that time. But whether it is right resolution or not, and at the same DC and the DC then, and also the Urban Development Authority, Urban Development Department of the Karnataka government, they wrote letter to not to allocate it to anybody. So, but only Siddaramaiah was allotted. Why? So these are the things which need to be investigated. Let them be investigated. Agar the person who was appointed, it has not come to the State Cabinet, it has not come to the State Urban Development Department, it has not come to the State Urban Development Minister, then it was, even if somebody from the BJP appointed person has also done wrong, let him be hanged, I don't mind. But Siddaramaiah why he accepted it. And the land which did not belong to him, for that he was claiming, even recently has said, if they don't want to give me the land, size, let them give me 62 crores. Is he going to give 62 crores to the people who have been acquired? That land doesn't belong to him. That land transaction itself is illegal. When the MUDA, entirely MUDA developed it and allocated some sites to the people, common people of the Mysuru, then it was denotified, then it was transferred to Siddaramaiah's wife's brother, that is brother-in-law, then it was transferred to the Siddaramaiah's wife, then 14 sites are being. What is this? It's apparently a clear-cut scam. They are trying to unnecessarily cover up it, which is not acceptable, and court has upheld it. In India, judiciary is quite dynamic, judiciary is quite open, judiciary is quite competent. So unnecessarily commenting like this, now it doesn't. You just ask them, then why court has upheld it? Are they trying to say that court has also done wrong?
Court has basically given, in fact, a go-ahead to the governor, saying he's a competent authority, saying that he is very well within his jurisdiction to sanction or grant a prosecution order if found guilty. But now the investigation has to begin, sir.
Investigation has to begin. When investigation has to begin, who is going to investigate? Investigation will be done by the state agencies. When state agency is going to investigate, how can Chief Minister continue in his post? He should henceforth resign. That's all. Thank you.
I was just coming to that, sir. All right. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi there, who speaks to India Today, giving his take on the alleged corruption carried out by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, saying that on moral grounds now, Siddaramaiah must resign. This is in fact, a chorus now coming in from the allies in Karnataka, BJP and the JDS, collectively demanding that Siddaramaiah must tender his resignation after the court verdict going against him, calling this a big setback and a blow for Siddaramaiah. And until the probe ends, he must, on moral grounds, step down. Now, what the probe will actually find, that remains to be seen. But for the moment, we're looking at a huge setback, certainly, for Siddaramaiah.